Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I have a hit or miss review, and it falls into probably a couple of categories. So you could call it a tool, you could call it a storage solution. I really didn't know what to label this, but it's the Foil Quill Modular Storage. And the reason I kind of say it falls into being a tool, I'm going to show you. So I did have a sneak peek in here just to make sure I didn't need anything. And I'm going to slide this up. So this is how it comes. You can see on the box how it's designed to work. But you have a USB here, and this is the one that you plug in. So you can plug that directly into a plug adapter that has the USB in. I have a strip of sockets that has a USB adapter in it, so you could plug it in there. So pretty convenient overall. And then it has these rests, so you can fit your quills on them. You can see the idea is that you can, maybe I have to take this one out for that to work. So you can see it's, the idea is it fits your quills, and maybe I can stand it up, but you can stand it up in there. They've got this one laying down at the back, and they've got the short one at the front. I'm just going to grab these out. You can see this is how they're currently stored in an art bin, which it totally works for me. So you can store this one on here. And it's designed to prevent any burning and just have them ready to use. So you can have it in there like that. And then you've already got 3 USBs. So rather than having to have 3 outlets, you can just have 1 outlet and plug them straight in here. And all the USB tools also work in here. I tried those out. So that worked too. And then when you look at the rest of it, it is completely modular. So you can strip it. This out. They're a little bit tougher, but they're not hard. You can strip it straight out to this. And I kind of like these ones because I can use these with a bottom in just on my desktop as is, which I think is super cool. But they're designed that you can fit things like your rolls of quill foil. So if you want to do that, you just take one of these. And you actually need 2 for this to work. So you can see you can pile them up as high as you want. I'm kind of hoping they start selling these individually because it would be nice to have a few of those. And then your foil fits in it. You can also fit things like your thermo web foils and things in there. I did try this out and I thought actually it would make a really good thermo web station as well. Again, something else you can try out. And then you can pop these in here and pop in your washi tapes. So you can pop your washi tapes in and kind of use it like a dispenser. They have theirs laying down like this. But I was like, oh, I could stand it up. And I'm going to show you what I mean. And I could be like, oh, I can have my washi tape over the edge, and then I just, you know, tear a bit off, and off I go. So that was kind of how I thought I would use it. That was my idea. And you can rest a quill on an open area like this. These are supposed to be heat resistant in here. You can pile a few of these up. You can create a little holder for something, so your pens or like all your adapters. Let me grab some in the box here. So all of your adapters for all the different machines will fit into here. You've got your little spatula that also would stand up in here to help you lift things, or you could put this in. Now things like the magnetic ruler, not going to fit. The clips will fit in one of these, but there's nowhere to then put the mat unless you like put it underneath and kind of, you know, just rest this on top of the cutting mat that comes with it. But it is a different footprint size, so you have a little bit off the edge, so just be warned of that. But you could put your little trimmer in there, you could put a pair of scissors. As I say, I wish that they would now sell these separately, because if you look at the configuration on the box, you can see you've got 2 and 2 for things to go in. The only thing I thought that you could do, I'm going to share this one with you as well, is you could put your gridded one in the bottom, and then you can put the height piece on the top, and then you've got dividers in the bottom. So when you go and you stand up a pen, you see it has something to go against. So I thought that would kind of work as a solution as well. So whether you class it as a tool or storage or have you do it, I think it's cool to have on your desktop. I won't use it exclusively for foil quill, but I like the fact I've got 3 USB pieces here. I have areas to rest stuff as I'm working with them, and I can put, you know, maybe like some purple tape in here, particularly down here where I like to just have something and it's easy to plug in and out. I think it'd be perfect on my little cart behind me over there. So you may well see it featuring in the back of videos. It doesn't take the sheets. There's nowhere for you to put the sheets. The only thing I wondered, and I was going to try it, which you can kind of slide one set of sheets in there, but there's nowhere really to store the sheets, so it'd be nice. Kinds of works. So you can kind of just store them like this, but it covers up your USBs. So it's okay. Could I just use a desktop organizer? Yes. The big plus for me, and the reason why I really like it and I would use it over just going and buying something on Amazon, if I were you, is the 3 USBs on here, because so many things we have are USB powered. My bright pad I can power by USB, my foil quills, my USB tools, there's just so many things, my phone charger, there's lots of things I can put in here, and for me that just works really well. So for me it is a hit. I like it. I more like it because of the reconfigurableness, not necessarily just for the foil quilt. I really think that you would use this for all different things. So I will try it out. You can check out my Instagram stories, particularly on a Sunday. I tend to kind of show you how I'm storing and organizing stuff in my room, so you can go check that out. So I hope you'll join me for those as well. But don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, hit join, and give us a thumbs up. There are lots of reasons to all of those things, including a fab tutorial that I have coming tomorrow that you will not want to miss. It's super exciting. It's probably one of my favorite projects I've made in a while. So come check that out with me and be sure to follow us, and I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. Bye.